many uses from Pandas. So in Pandas is the go-to, like it is a go-to library for data manipulation in Python, and it is designed for performance. Pandas process data fast, making it ideal for large data sets. It excels at managing structured data like spreadsheets, CSVs, and SQL tables, like multiple formats it supports. Spreadsheets again coming from the CSV, Excel, and other other formats as well. It seamlessly integrates with other libraries like NumPy for mathematical operations, Matplotlib for visualization, and it is creating a powerful data analysis ecosystem. It simplifies the process of data cleaning, handling missing values, and dealing with the duplicates. Pandas offers functions to quickly explore and understand your dataset, helping you gain insights very much faster. It enables data transformation with ease, from filtering and selecting data to adding or dropping columns. In a nutshell, Pandas simplifies the entire data analysis process, enabling you to work more efficiently and effectively with your data.